Hi, everybody. This is Terry from Sweet Pea Papers, the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group, the Junk Journal Tutorials and More Facebook group, and now the Junk Journal and Papercrafts Facebook group. And of course, the Ko-fi shop Sweet Pea Papers. Now, I'm here today because I'm very excited because I have completed the 4th annual Teeny Weeny Halloweeny journal, and this is the flip through. Now, we do this every year. Sweet Pea Papers just celebrated its 4th year, and we're going to include that in our Halloween drawing, which I'm going to tell you about in just 1 second. And so I'm just very excited to do it again this year. And this year we have a really fat one, and I know you're going to like it. So now on to the drawing topic. From October 15th through October 30th, we're having a giveaway. And all you have to do is post a picture or a video using the hashtag Teeny Weeny Halloweeny in any one of the 3 Facebook groups, and you will get an entry. Okay? You can get 3 entries if you're smart and you go to all 3 Facebook groups with your picture. Now, I'm going to do the drawing on the 31st of October so that we have the drawing on Halloween. Okay? So that's that. Now, here's our Teeny Weeny Halloweeny. He's 2.5 inches wide and 3.5 inches tall, which is a little big for a teeny weeny, but I couldn't fit the features that I wanted to add into a smaller book. I mean, I probably could have, but with my hands the way they are, I'm not sure that I could have. So this is the cover. Oh, and I used Victoria Designs Edgar Allan Poe kit. This is the spine. It's 3 signatures, and it has a 1.5 inch spine. And this is the back. And this is the big fat book, tied up with a ribbon. I don't know if you can see how big it is, but it's fat. Now, when I untie this, it has a tendency to go spring because I just got done making it and it hasn't had a chance to kind of settle into being, a book and not a springed out, thing. So we're going to untie it. Well, it's not too bad. When you open it, we have the beginning of signature 1. I don't know how I'm going to do this. The beginning of signature 1, which is the image of a book with roses growing out, I believe. Not sure. And the name Edgar Allan Poe. Then on the first page, we have a little pocket that I forgot to put a tag in. Oh no, we need a tag. There we go. A nice little teeny weeny tag. Ah. And then we have a writing page. And then we have a belly band page. Then on this side, we have a side pocket. Next page is the center of the signature. And this one opens this way. This one opens this way. I ran out of ephemera. So I'm going to go back and add a little bit here because I printed this. This is the small size of the kit. The kit comes in 3 sizes. And then I printed it out on the 3.5 by 5 at 90%. So that's how I got the 2.5 and 3.5. Okay, so that's how I got it even smaller than the 3.5 by 5. So that opens this way, this opens this way, and believe it or not, there's actual magnet pieces in here. I save my magnet pieces when my magnets break. They're only 1 mil thick. So anyway, so I had little spare pieces and I decided to use them, little broken pieces, because I saved them. And then on this side, this one opens up. Whoopsie, magnet's too strong. This one opens down, and then you have writing area. Once again, I'll print out some more teeny weeny ephemera, which is even smaller scale than what I printed out the pages, which was a little bit of a mistake. So we'll see. So then on the next page, we have a pocket with a tag. Then we have a little teeny weeny envelope held on by an acetate belly band. We have a little teeny envelope. I think I'm going to put it in this way this time. Makes more sense to pull it out this way. And on this page is the end of the... Is it the end of the signature? No, it's not. It's the Look at Me page. It's Edgar Allan Poe on a tree. And then we have this flip up, and believe it or not, there is no magnet on that one. I forgot and papered it before I put the magnet on. But it stays down because the book is so fat that it's flattened it out. And then this is the last page of the first signature. The second signature is made of 3 little fake folios. And I clipped them so they would stay on the elastic better. Oh, speaking of the elastic, when I put the elastic in, I pulled it around so that the knots were at the top. Because with these little teeny books, then they get super fat with the knot in the center of the signature. Okay, so you just pull the cord around until the knot's at the very top, and then you're good to go. So this one says Lenore, and you open it up, and now these, I got so excited that they came out the perfect size, I forgot to double side print them. But then you've got 4 pages to write on, and then you've got the next one, and it says Nevermore. And you open it, and it's got a couple of writing pages. And then this one says Eleonora. One's from the Raven, and one's from the Telltale Heart, I think. And then you've got some more papers, because you're going the other way, right? And this says Eleonora here. I wonder if it says Eleonora on this one. It does. Look at that. I even do it on purpose. So there's 2 more pages, and the back of the file folder, 2 more pages, and the back of the file folder. So that gives you an actual signature in the center of your book that has, let's see, it's over 24 pages plus the pages made from the file folders, which is another 12. So that gives you quite a bit, for what looks like just this little add-on thing. Okay. So then you turn that, you get to signature 3. And here's Edgar Allan Poe and a bottle with a potion, whatever, and a raven. And then you open this, and there's a belly band, and it has 3 library cards in it. Oopsie. 3 library cards. And then this is a flip up. Has a little magnet in it. You turn the page, and there's a little double pocket with the cards. To kind of really stick them in there. Keep them in. Then on this side is a tuck. a little card. This side is a flip out. This is the center of the third signature. This is a flip out. Move the board. And then this side is a flip out the opposite way. And a kitty cat. And they both have magnets. I don't know if I said that or not. And the next page is a pocket with the fourth library card. And we have a writing page. We have a belly band with a card. It was just chance that it came out with the big rose in the center. I didn't do that on purpose. This side, does it flip up or flip out, or which does it do? Does it flip out? Oh no. Oh no, look. I'll have to see what I can do to repair that. That just figures. The very last page. The very last page. We had some glue seepage that I didn't catch. Now I'm disappointed. I know it's like this one small thing and I can ink over it or whatever. But now it kind of like ruins it for me. And here's the last page. Here's the back cover. And here's the very back cover. Okay? So here's our Teeny Weeny Halloweeny for this year. And yeah, it's all good except for the last page. I've still got the little piece here. So I can glue it back in maybe and fix the part that was white. And then ink the other side where the glue seeped out, where the white showed up over there as well. So, yeah, that's how I'll fix that. Okay, well, I'm glad you came and hung out with me for a little bit. I could show you my Teeny Weeny Halloweeny book, and I just can't wait to say that again. I don't know if you could tell, but I love saying teeny weeny. And be sure to catch the next video series, which I believe, if I remember correctly, is going to be my design team project for Line Dot Arrow. And we'll have a giveaway for that too. Okay? All right. Thank you very much, and you have a great Halloween.